Good evening, friends. Let us see another problem on isometric projection of the combined solids. Those who are watching my video first time, please subscribe my channel, share my videos to your friends for the latest updates, and don't forget to like the video. Let's start today's problem. The problem is a regular pentagonal prism of base edge 30 mm and axis 60 mm is mounted centrally over a cylindrical block of 80 mm diameter and 25 mm thick. Draw isometric projection of the combined solid. In this case, there are two solids are given. One is pentagonal prism. It's a regular pentagonal prism of base edge 30 mm and axis 60 mm, and second solid is a cylindrical block of 80 mm diameter and 25 mm thick. So these are the different solids are given. So we need to place a regular pentagonal prism on the top of a cylindrical block of diameter 80 mm and 25 mm thick. Let's see how to construct a cylindrical block. I'll go to line. Let us choose a thin line. Cylindrical block of 80 mm diameter. Let us construct a square of 80 by 80. So length is 80, angle is 30 degree. Length is 80, angle is 150 degree. Length is 80, angle is minus 150 degree. Length is 80, angle is minus 30 degree. I constructed a square of 80 by 80. Now I'll go to arc by center. I'll go to line command. Let's join these two corners. Okay, and this corner and midpoint of this line, let's join like this. Again, this corner and midpoint of this line, let's join like this. Midpoint of this line and this corner. Okay, now I'll go to arc by center, choose thicker line. This is the center, this is the radius. Let's construct the arc like this. Similarly, this is the center, this midpoint is the radius, and construct the arc till the midpoint of this line. Okay, then the same way, this is the center, this is the radius. Let's construct an arc like this. Next, similarly, this is the center, this is the radius. Let's construct another arc like this. You will get an ellipse. Okay, now axis height is given, right? 25 mm thick is given. From the center, draw a vertical line of length 25 mm. From the center, draw a vertical line of length 25 mm. Okay, next step is select this complete sketch and just don't select the axis line. Okay, go to move command, switch on copy, select this midpoint and place exactly the endpoint of this axis line like this. Okay, now join the tangent line. Let's draw the tangent line. From here to here I am joining. From here to here I am joining like this. Okay, next remove all hidden edges. Let's remove all hidden edges. I am removing this. Let's remove all hidden edges. You can zoom and trim all hidden edges. all hidden edges. Let's zoom this area and try to remove the hidden edges. Okay, similarly this side, let's zoom this, remove the hidden edges. Remove all hidden edges. So I constructed a cylindrical block of 80 mm diameter and 25 mm thick. Now let us construct a pentagon prism. Let us construct a pentagon prism of base edge 30 mm. Let's construct a pentagon first. Let us construct a pentagon first. This is a base edge is 30 mm, length is 60 mm, base edge is 30 mm, angle is 0, length is 30, angle is 72 into 1, length is 30, angle is 72 into 3, sorry, into 2, base edge 30, angle is 72 into 2, then 30 and 72 into 3, 30 and 72 into 4. I got a pentagon of base edge 30 mm. Now enclose this pentagon in a square box. Enclose this pentagon in a square box by drawing horizontal and vertical lines. Okay. Just draw horizontal and vertical line. Okay. Now I am trimming these lines. Okay. Now I need some information from data. I need this distance. I need this and this distance, and I need this and this distance. So I am getting some value. I need this and this distance, and I need this and this distance. I need these data to construct this hexagonal pentagonal prism. So now let's move on to the line command. So I'll construct the square box. Let us construct the square box. Length is 48.54, angle is 30 degree. Okay. Next, length is 46.17. 46.17, angle is 150 degree. Next, length is 48.54, angle is minus 150 degree. Okay. Next, you need to connect to this point, starting point 46.17, and angle is minus 30 degree. Now I'll go to our base center. Take this as center. Radius is 9.27. Press enter. You'll get an arc like this. Similarly, this side. Take this as center. Radius is 9.27 is the radius. Press enter from your keyboard, and let's construct an arc like this. I got these 2 points. Now let's find this point. This is the center, and radius is 28.53. 28.53. Press enter from your keyboard and cut an arc like this. You get this point. Next, let's find this 24.27 from here. Select this point. Radius is 24.27. Press enter and cut an arc like this. Next, we need to find this point from the base 28.53. Take this point. Radius is 28.53. 28.53. Press enter from your keyboard, and let us construct an arc like this. Okay. Next step is join all the points to get an pentagon. I'll go to line, choose thicker line. I'm joining these points. Join all intersection point like this, like this, like this, and like this. You'll get a pentagon. Okay. Now let's find the center. Let's find the center for this. So I'll go to line, just draw an horizontal line. It should be thin line. Let's make it thin line. Okay, now I'll go to axis. I'll go to axis line. From the midpoint, the vertical distance is given 60 mm. Length is 60, angle should be 90 degree. Let's draw a line like this. Okay. The next step, in the next step, select, I move this somewhere here, I place this here. And the next step is very simple. Just select this, go to move command, copy should be on, select this endpoint and just place it here exactly at the top, at the end of this axis. Okay, now join all the respective corners. Let's join all the corners. I am joining this and this. Let's join these two. Should be continuous line, don't use axis line. Join this and this. Join this corner and this corner. Join this and this. Join this corner and this corner. Okay. Now remove all hidden edges. This is not visible. I am removing. Not visible. Not visible. Not visible. Not visible. Let's remove all hidden edges. Next step is select this complete pentagonal prism. Go to move command. Switch off copy. Pick the end point of the axis, this axis line, and place exactly at the end here. I am placing here. Okay. Now I can remove the hidden edges and try to complete this problem. This reference line I don't want. This reference line. Okay. Now the last step is convert into isometric scale. Select this complete solid, go to scale and switch off copy. Scale factor is 0.8164 to convert true length into iso length, and press enter from your keyboard. You will get isometric projection of the combined solid. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video.